guys, welcome to Mali. I just came to try the one in the Chinese traditional foods. This is such a beautiful place and so traditional. It's my first time to come to a Chinese place, and I hope I'm not gonna be disappointed after trying the delicious food from here. Hello. Hello, how are you? 你好，你们怎么就害羞了？
太漂亮了，
这个衣服好看，
好看。
你也可以买一套。
我也要一个，你是哪里买了？
网上，
淘宝上吗？
对，都有。
那里看，
给你买一个啊，
对，
回去给你买一个。
好，再见。
哇，那么辣子。
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm looking for some delicious food here.
Yeah.
Wow, I found the spices here.
我给你开一个了。
So many spices here.
Wow, a lot of spicy.
It's so beautiful. This is so spicy. I hope my hands are not gonna get spicy. Everything is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And there is also a red flag of the spicy.
Seriously?
辣子做的红旗 Yeah. The red flag of spicy.
The spicy factory is all they make the spices, and then other issues here. Let me just try to visit.
Oh, there is a donkey.
Oh, there's a dog. Oh,
Donkey here.
我可以看看吗？好。So this is how they make the spices here. They get them, and then they use the donkey to crush them. So it's eating, it's being treated well, being given a special treat, so that it can move around this technical thing to move. And then like that side, it is also another part like where they keep the spices from inside there. And here, like after the donkey crushes the spices, they actually separate it in two parts, like the one which is like very fine and which is not very fine, and these are the spices. And they also mix it up with the oil, and then they package it for selling. It's really beautiful. Let's explore. Let's see the donkey here. This is the old place. It's so beautiful, so lovely. I'm really having fun being here. So I'm just surrounded by a lot of spices like this. Alright, so we just finished playing and chilling here. Also searching for some delicious food to eat. And I'm here with my friend. Misong is doing his own vlog, and I'm also vlogging here. But it's fun. So here they make this kind of candy. 你需要做那个？
这个多少钱？
这个小的它再给你优惠点，18元，正常时价的好，不同方面。
10块一盒。
哎，我想看你是怎么做这个吧。I was just trying to see how they make this kind of traditional snack.
Candy.
Oh, traditional candy.
Yeah.
And
It's a dragon beard. Dragon beard candy.
oh, dragon beard
龙须酥
candy.
Dragon no dragon beard. Yeah.
Okay.
Dragon beard sugar.
Oh, dragon beard sugar.
咋了？
That's how they make it.
啊，10元啊。
这个
啊。
这个是也是。
10元呗。白这中内生意本来就不好做，10元，好不好？好了，我就给你付了，这个和这个20。
那老花的问上。
啊，我给你付了啊。
爸爸，你喝啥呢
I give you one this.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
20啊，付了。谢谢。
谢谢。So just trying some local Chinese foods here. Just got some
要不要给你打开
candy.
吃？还是你拿
I
上
don't know, I feel so weird after eating the scorpion. I wanted to try to eat more insects, but
到一会儿找个
I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna try to take some drink. I feel weird because like I took some wine and I also took a lot of stuff like earlier on. So maybe they made me feel. Hello.
Hello.
你好。
Hello.
I'm just trying to talk to the locals. It is so interesting.
Delicious food.
Okay, no problem. So guys are trying to hunt for some delicious food like here.
哇，这个小马真漂亮。啊？大马。Big horse. It's a big horse.
Some traditional ice cream here.
It's a big. 滑板。 这是滑滑梯啊，滑的人，这是滑滑梯，有自行车的，可以。
可以哈，可以你说。
来，
你好。
你好，我要拍一下吧。
好。
美丽的饭。So guys, with some kind of white vegetables food with some vinegar and other stuff here. And that's how they cook them. They're more like some kind of dumplings. Or I don't know, like we're gonna try them here.
Okay, sir. Are you happy for food?
Yeah, I'm happy. I tried like all the special food from
This food called 自卷，自卷是吧？自卷 ，yeah.
And 你们是用这个菜做的是不是？
Yeah.
是用石林野菜，
这个菜是从哪里过来？
野菜，
这个就是在我们附近挖的野菜。
野菜 ，wild vegetable.
White vegetable.
Yeah.
那咱们
这边的话，我们打过
是吧？这个
之后，软硬适中，稍软一点，擀好，擀成面片儿，把这个菜铺在上面，卷好之后呢，一个一个一个做好。
Cut them, yeah.
放在里边。
对，在蒸锅上给它蒸好。
蒸锅上。
对对。
And these are sauce, spicy sauce.
The spicy sauces.
这个是啥汁
这个有蒜泥，
？Yeah, garlic,
这个是
spicy,
油泼
and
辣椒，
vinegar.
Oh, you're for spicy.
这个
Yeah,
是用各种大料熬的那个醋汁儿
yeah.
啊，对
Vinegar.
醋汁。
Okay.
哦，对。
好，
我很有兴趣。Oh, yeah. Oh, see. Thank you.
Okay.
Look there, they are cutting now. That's how they make it.
Yeah.
Package it there. Wow, it's so cool.
纯手工。
哦，我看到了。
纯手工的话，吃起来更有味道。
好，谢谢。
好的，
我吃过了，这次吃过这种的饭。
第一次是吧？
那有机会再来。
哎，没问题。That's how they make it, and how to put in the steamer. Oven. 它可以放
它可以放在这个气里面，这个 steam
对
蒸一下。
放在这个上面，把它蒸熟就好了，蒸10分钟。
哦，10分钟。
10 minutes.
对，
哦，OK，谢谢。
好的，
Goodbye.
拜拜。
Okay, do you know how to make 自卷
Yeah, I know how to make the Chinese Sichuan, the traditional food.
Okay.
It is so nice. I'm so full.
Yeah.
Because I didn't want to eat something which is so oily or anything.
Yeah.
Because I think I'm becoming like a vegetarian bit by bit, you know?
Yeah.
Like as I'm trying to travel.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy to try this like vegetarian kind of meal.
Yeah.
The white vegetables. It's so cool. And thank you. Okay. Okay guys, so see you in the next one.
没有。
可以哈，可以你说。
来，不敢走了。
Wow. Different kinds of food here.
Showcase.
So guys, we're gonna be trying this local. What's this? Dumplings?
自卷，
Sichuan.
自卷。
It's more like the sushi, the Japanese sushi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. We have to dip it like here.
这就没办法给它反应。爸爸给你拿里。
Let's try this one now.
嗯，你拿。爸爸，你把这拿着。啊，都黏了。一会儿找水给你把手一洗，是不是啊？放。一会儿爸爸在里面给你洗啊，放在这儿。
I'm gonna try this one.
这里边。
I'll actually use the white vegetables to cook it.
早起的，那人吃饭都当个连接器，4点饭，你都咋着吃？人请饭去，你到那儿在哪里吃？哦，人标准的普通话，在这咱们土话，人
Eating the Chinese special food like from here. We finish everything and then like I'm now trying to drink some Sichuan. What's Sichuan in English? Porridge?
Porridge or gruel.
And so I'm trying to take some gruel or porridge, yeah? So let's try it. It's a bowl full of porridge.
Yeah.
But I have to finish it.
Oh, finish.
And how full. Kind of food there. 我看到豆腐。Okay, 谢谢，我走了。好，拜拜。So guys, like I just came here to see different kinds of foods here in China. And then, yeah, we've tried different things here. Hi guys, so
There is a door, red door.
some traditional stairs for going up.
Yeah.
And I don't know here, but it's such a beautiful place, which is for so many different kinds of Chinese traditional food. Yeah, I had so much fun being here, and there's so many locals, as you can see here.
Yeah.
Thank you.